to my channel, and today I will be showing you guys how to turn a percentage into fraction and decimal, also decimal into fraction and percentage, and fraction into decimal and percentage if I hadn't already said that. And before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this video. The first thing we'll do is just write out a question like 1/2, for example, and we want to turn this into a percentage. So the thing we'll have to do is multiply 1/2 times 100%. And if you look at this, you can simplify this question and make this a 50 and this a 1. And now you multiply it and you get the answer very simply. So it would be 50%. So the answer is 50% for this. We turn this into percentage. And now let's write out the same question 1/2 and turn this into a decimal this time. So if you want to turn a fraction into a decimal, you will have to divide it by the denominator by the numerator. And you have to do 2 divided by 1. And you can't do that, so you add a decimal point. And then you'll just add a 0. And now you can do this. 2 divided by 10 is 5. And there is no remainder. So the answer would be 0.5 or 0.5. Both of these are the answer. You can write one of this and it'll be correct. And we just turn this into a decimal. Okay, so now let's move on to fraction, right? Yeah, fraction. So let's just write a decimal. For example, it can be 0.65. And it's very, very, very simple to turn this into a fraction. So all you have to do is write out the numbers, not the decimal, just the numbers. And then you see where the decimal is? Put a 1. And there are 2 numbers at the back of it. So you would write 2 zeros. And the answer would be 65 by 100. And you can also simplify this by 13 over 20. And that would be the answer because 65 divided by 5 is 13 and 100 divided by 5 is 20. And that is the answer. And we just turn this into a fraction. Hope this helped you, and thank you.